Yeah, hello students. I'm going to explain the topic relations and functions, class 12th syllabus, NCERT exemplar problems. In the previous video, I have done around 10 questions, but the remaining 10 questions I'm going to explain now. So you should be practice all NCERT exemplar problems in NCERT complete book also to prepare any entrance exam. It helps you a lot. Should not miss this. So I'm trying to do all topics of NCERT exemplar. Now I will do the first problem. I will do it now. Here this only I am going to explain here the composite function. The given see f of x is given, g of x is given. What is g of here? So that's simple problem only. So g of f of x. So g of what is f of x is 3x square minus 5. G of f of x. So f of 3x square minus 5. G of replace x with 3x square minus 5. 3x square minus 5 by 3x square minus 5 whole square plus 1. So here this is numerator 3x square minus 5 means I can eliminate this option, right? Now you can expand 9x power for the numerator. This you can expand 3x square minus 5 by you will get 9x square, you will get minus 30x square plus 25 plus 1 26. So answer is first option. This is a simple problem, right? They are asking which of the following function is bisective. When they are talking which of the following function is bisective means there should be 1 1 and onto. Bisective means 1 1 and onto. You check the first one. F of x equal x cube. Clearly this is, we can think this is 1 1. But is it onto or not? You can check that it is 1 1. They are given z to z, function from z into z. They are talking z into z. So you will get f of 1 1, f of 2 2, f of 2 will be 8, all different elements. So different elements in domain have different images. So it clearly it is 1 1. When you are talking about range, suppose you take the elements of that. You can see here simply I can say here. Suppose you take f of 0 0. What is f of 1 1? So if you take f of 2 will be 8. It will come 8, right? So 0 1 8. Even if you take f of minus 1, the f of 2 you take it will be f of minus 2 minus 8. You can check here when you are writing all the image, all the values of domains here. I am getting 0 1 8 minus 1 8. That means the range should not be equal to z, right? What is onto means the set of range is equal to codomain. If range is equal to codomain, that is onto function. You can see here. So in codomain 2 doesn't have pre-image, so it is not onto, right? The function I am talking about, this one, right? It is not onto, right? The reason is equal, I can write the range f of z is not equal to z, right? F of z is range is not equal to z. If you observe this one, a few points, definitely I can also say one simple thing. 2 doesn't have pre-image, so it is not onto. Coming to this one, f of x equal to x plus 2. This is clearly you can see here. When I am talking this one, clearly it is 1 1. You can check. F of, let it be to verify 1 1. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. You can verify x1 plus x2 equal to x2 plus x2. x1 equal to x2. It is 1 1. No doubt this is 1 1, right? It is 1 1. Even it is onto. You take clearly. You check that. You write all the elements of domain. Take all the elements of domain here. It gives again z only. Clearly we know that range is equal to z. So this is bisective, right? This is onto, right? Range is equal to z, it will come. So the function is bisective. That will be wrong. This is bisective. So here when I have taken this was not onto. This is not onto, right? This is not onto. So it is not bisective. So clearly this is 1 1 onto. It's a bisective function. Even you can check. This is not 1 1. Just I'm giving an idea. This is not 1 1. Because 1 and minus 1 have same image. Even here, if you take 2x plus 1, here also you can observe here. The elements here, 0 doesn't have pre-image. Because 0 doesn't have 2x plus 1 you will get. 2x plus you will get. So 0 doesn't have pre-image here like that. That means the range is not equal to z. So it is not onto. This is also not onto, right? It is not onto. Maybe 1 but it is not onto. So only this which is bisective is f of x equal to x plus 2 is bisective. They are finding in this problem f inverse of x is given function defined by f of x or x2 plus 5, then f inverse of x. When they are asking f inverse of x, you can consider y is equal to x cube plus 5. Then you can write y minus 5 is equal to x cube. I want x value, right? Y minus 4 power 1 by 3 equal to x. X is nothing but this is f inverse of y, right? I want f inverse of x. So f inverse of x is equal to, I will get x minus 5 whole power 1 by 3. Option B is your answer, right? This will be your answer. X minus 5 whole power 1 by 3. That will be your answer. To find inverse. Coming to here, g from a to b, g to b, c, be the bisective functions. Then g of f whole inverse. This is a property always. Then g of f whole inverse, this should be equal to f inverse of g inverse. This should be equal to this one, right? This value should be equal to f inverse of g inverse. So your first option is right. F inverse of g inverse. This is a property of composite functions. G of f whole inverse is f inverse of g. In this problem, they are given f from r minus set of 3 by 5, singleton 3 by 5 to r be defined by this is given. They are asking inverse of this, not inverse. In all the options, you can see 3 options they are combining inverse. Only one option composite function. We will verify here inverse first. So y is equal to 3x plus 2 by, I can take it 5x minus 3. We do cross multiplication, 5 by x minus 3y equal to 3x plus 2. I am trying to find the value of x. Here I can find here 5 by x minus 3x is equal to 3y plus 2. Take x common. If we take x common, this will become 3y plus 2 by 5y minus 1. It will come like this, right? I have taken 5y minus 3. 5y minus 3, right? This is nothing but f inverse of y, this one f inverse of y. So f inverse of x is, you will get 3x plus 2 by 5x minus 3. So this is similar to as it is given functional which is equal to f of x. So your answer is first option only right. I got f inverse of x is equal to f of x we got. Now either given if it is rational function value x, irrational 1 minus x. Again, what is composite function? Suppose you take x is rational. Think x is rational means f of x. F of x, right? In this case, what is f of x is x. Again, f of x is x. Suppose x is irrational. When you take irrational, f of x is equal to f of. You can write f. This is f of x, right? F of x. What is f of x in irrational? 1 minus x. So I can write this is 1 minus x, right? Again, f of 1 minus x means what do you write in the place of x? 1 minus of 1 minus x, it will be x, right? Because f of x is 1 minus x, it is irrational. Again, f of 1 minus x, replace x with 1 minus x, it will be x. So your answer is x. Now, next problem. Now, in this problem, you can see that given f from close to 2 comma infinity to r with a function defined by f of x with x square minus 4x plus 5, then the range of f. They are asking range of f. Now, you can think about this equation. F of x is equal to, observe here, try to make it perfect square form, x minus 2 whole square plus 1. You can observe here x square, this is 2ab, 2 into x into 2, x minus 2 whole square plus 1. So here you can observe here, I can decide here, x minus 2 whole square, clearly greater than or equal to 0, either 0 or positive. If it is 2, it will be 0, otherwise it will be positive. Add 1, x minus 2 whole square plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So f of plus 1, f of x greater than or equal to 1. So the value 1 or more than 1. So answer is this one, correct. Left 1 comma infinity, left close, right open, right 1 comma infinity. That will be your answer. Coming to this problem, f from n to r, they defined from natural number to real numbers. Defined by f of x 2x minus 1 by 2, g from q to r, g of x for x plus 2 Then g of f of 3 by 2 they are asking. Simple logic here. When they are asking this one, you can think g of f of 3 by 2. So this will be g of f of 3 by 2. F of 3 by 2 is 3 by 2 should belong to the domain of f. But domain of f is n. Domain of f is n. But 3 by 2 doesn't belong to n. So here g of f doesn't define. We can't define this, right? G f of 3 by 2 doesn't exist, right? I can't define here. So answer is none of these. F of 3 by 2. So understood, we can't find this value. Why? Because f of 3 by 2 not defined, right? F of 3 by 2 is not defined. So answer is none of these. Because the understood f of 3 by 2 is not defined. We can't find this g of f of 3 by 2. So answer is none of these. Now you can see in this problem f from R to R be defined by f of x is equal to 2x when x is greater than 3. X square when x lies between 1 and 3 including 3. X less than or equal to 3x, they are asking this value. This is a simple problem. They are asking f of minus 1. F of minus comes here, x less than or equal to minus 1 is left of 1. Substitute here. This value will be f of minus will be 3 into minus 1. So minus 3. F of 2 will come between 1 and 3. It will be 2 square 4. F of 4 will be here plus 8. So this will be 9. Your answer is 9 here. Answer is 9. Now coming to this, f from R to R be given by f of x equal to tan x, then f inverse of 1. They are asking f inverse of 1. F inverse of 1 is equal to, let it be x. So what do you write here? 1 is equal to f of x. Correct. You will get 1 is equal to f1 is equal to f of x. What is f of x? I can write. So tan, you can see here, I can write this f of x is equal to 1 means. So what is f of x? F of x is tan x. So tan x is equal to 1, which is equal to tan pi by 4, right? So then I can write x is equal to n pi plus pi by 4, n belongs to z. So this is your answer, right? And this is general solution. Understood that I have written tan x is equal to 1 is equal to f of x, tan x is equal to 1, tan pi by 4, x equal to n pi plus pi by 4. With this, I have completed all the problems of NCERT Exemplar topic. From NCERT Exemplar, the topic is relations and functions of class 12th. Thank you.